the car? Do you see?
A building. A flyover.
What do you see?
A car.
What do you see?
More building.
What do you see?
A baby.
There's so much fun.
To drive so far. Just look outside and enjoy the pretty ride. Driving in the car.
Do you see?
Estancia.
What do you see?
Stop. Car white.
What do you see?
A big tree outside.
What do you see?
A traffic light.
What do you see?
Estancia building.
What do you see?
Red signal.
What do you see?
It's a toy.
What do you
It's so much fun to drive so far. Just look outside and enjoy the pretty ride. Driving in the car. What's that?
It's a friend.
A fan. Where's your nono?
Out there yet?
Not
Out there
yet.
yet?
Not yet.
Out there yet?
Yeah.
Out there yet?
Not yet.
Out there yet?
Not yet.
Out there yet? Let's play a game. Look at baby owl.
Just look outside and enjoy the pretty ride.
Driving in the car. What do you see?
Oh, stoplight.
Do you see?
Philippine Arena. The Ultra.
See?
Smoke test. The LTO smoke test.
What do you see?
A big truck.
What do you see?
High tower.
What do you see?
White building.
What do you see?
It's mango tree. Oh,
What do you see?
it's PD clearance.
It's so much fun.
To drive so far. There's no traffic. Turn right in the car. What do you see?
It's a big boy.
Do
Outside.
you see?
It's a driver.
What do you see?
It's a big talisay.
Do you see? Oh, it's a sender.
Yeah, it's a Shenda. You can see that? Ay,
Sorry.
sorry. You see that?
The mommy go to the tower. Go. See mommy out there yet?
Not yet.
Out there yet? See baby with the cow.
Okay. Are we there yet?
Not yet.
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 Let's play a game. Look at where we are. Just look outside and enjoy the pretty ride. Driving in the car, what do you see?
A TV.
What do you see?
Billboard.
What do you see?
A flag.
What do you see?
A tree.
What do you see?
Wires.
What do you see?
Mini car.
What do
Let's, it's so much fun
look at baby?
to drive so far. Just look outside and enjoy the pretty ride. Driving in the car, what do you see?
A baby.
What do you see?
It's Jane.
It's Jean. What do you see?
Driving in the car, and then go to the hospital, and it's so twice again.
Yes. You will ride the car and then you go to the doctor?
Maybe this is the bedroom. Next one.
Okay. You say hi to your doctor?
You can take a picture with the doctor.
Hindi mo kasi sinabi na gusto mo mag-picture kay doktora. Ha? Gusto mo pala mag-picture eh. Sa katapusan ka na mag-picture ulit. Parang balak mo pang bumalik sa 14 ah. Hmm? Hmm?
Do you want to throw the bubbles mo?
Later, outside the car. Not here. Bye-bye. Kumangot.
I will tell you.
Not yet.